What if I told you that you could start an online business today selling kids' products without creating a single thing yourself? Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me. You'll want to see this. Hey, friends, I know how frustrating it feels to want your own business but feel stuck, like no idea is good enough or it's too complicated. I've been there too. That's why I'm excited to show you something that actually works. A ready-to-go online store packed with thousands of kids' printable products. And yes, it's beginner-friendly and almost ready to earn right away. So the product is called Kiddy Store Fortune. It's basically a done-for-you online store focused on kids' printable products. We're talking coloring pages, worksheets, activity sheets, all the fun and educational stuff parents and teachers love. Now let me explain how it works in a super simple way. Install. You just upload the pre-made store to WordPress. Don't worry, it comes with step-by-step instructions. Customize. Add your payment options like PayPal or Stripe and tweak the look if you want. Promote. Share your store with your friends, social media, or even paid ads. It even comes with marketing templates and videos to help you get started. The goal here is simple. You get a ready-to-go business that can start making money while you focus on learning how to reach customers. Let me show you something amazing. Kiddy Store for Fortune. It's a ready-made online store for kids' products. Everything is already designed and loaded. Sliders, product pages, everything looks professional. You don't have to do any hard work, just install it and start selling. The store is super easy for customers too. They can shop by age, see best sellers, and use filters to find exactly what they want. The pages are clean and simple, so buying is fast and smooth. Setting it up is really simple. If you have WordPress, you just use the backup plugin, upload the files, and your store is ready in 5 to 10 minutes. The best part, this store gives you access to the kids' educational market, a niche that always sells. Most of the work is already done, so it's perfect for beginners, parents, or teachers who want to earn extra income. Right now, there's an early bird offer and so you can get the whole package for much less than it would cost to build from scratch. Don't wait. This is your chance to start a business that can bring in profit month after month while offering products parents and teachers will love. Front end, Kiddy Store Fortune. Price $25 to $27 at 50% off. This gives you a done-for-you kids printable store. You get over 10,000 pages of ready-to-sell kids printables across 60-plus products with access links. It also comes with social media images and promo videos ready to use. You can use everything for yourself without limits. There's also an optional bump for $12.95 that gives you 500 kids printable prompts. OTO2, Marketing Materials. Price $37 at 50% off. This upgrade gives you even more social media templates, ad templates to promote your store, ready-to-use GPTs for e-commerce promotion, and 52 weeks of email newsletters. There's also an installation service bump for $97 if you want help setting everything up. OTO3, Profitable Store Bundle, price $197 at 50% off. This bundle includes a done-for-you coloring store with ready-to-sell products, an AI store with ready-to-use prompts, all upgrades, commercial licenses, and all promotional materials. You can get it as a complete buyout bundle or as separate products. OTO4 Web Agency Fortune Bundle, price $297 at 50% off. You get a full done-for-you website agency business with 70 ready-to-go websites covering various niches, 1,000 social media images, 70 PowerPoint video templates, and an unlimited commercial license so you can build and sell websites to clients. OTO5 Local Directory Bundle, price $347 at 50% off. This package includes 5 local directory websites in niches like general, attorney, healthcare, home services, and restaurants. It's all designed so you can start a business quickly without creating anything yourself. Everything is ready to use and start earning.
It's Don here. Welcome to Kiddy Store Fortune. In this demo video, I'll walk you through my latest product, the Done-For-You Kids Store, and how to install it. As you can see, we have a beautiful professional website here with everything pre-designed and preloaded. Attractive slider design with kiddie style that instantly grabs attention. We then have shopping by age, featured products, bestsellers, and more. And then we have a section where customers can click the filter buttons to view the printable type they want. The product page is clean and optimized for user experience and conversion. Everything is designed to eliminate all the hard work on the store owner's end. User flow is designed to be extremely simple. So when I say it's a done-for-you store, I really meant it. This is a website with pre-done copy and graphics. All the products come ready to sell right out of the box. Just install, plug a payment method, and you're ready to go. Here's the main shop page with product listings and quick filters. Customers can filter by price range and categories and sort products through multiple options. Let's take a look at a store customer's perspective. The site also comes with a beautiful, clean, and easy-to-use account system. Customers can view their order and access the purchased materials easily. So let's see how easy it is to install the site. I have a fresh WordPress site here. Let's go to its admin dashboard, go to Plugins, and install the backup plugin. WP Vivid is my preferred plugin, but I provide files for all-in-one WP migration as well. After installing and activating the plugin, we can upload the provided backup file and start installing. After uploading the file, we'll begin restoring the backup. The installation time depends on your hosting's performance, but with my setup, you can install the site on any average hosting in 5 to 10 minutes. After the installation is done, you'll have a fully done store, ready to work right out of the box. This done-for-you kid store is perfect for anyone who wants to tap into the profitable kids printable and educational market, and is great for anyone who's looking to build a high-potential e-commerce business with 99% of the work done for them. I repeat, 99% of the work is done. Just install, plug in any preferred payment method, and this store is ready to run. So if you're looking to start a real online business in the booming kids niche, offer products parents and teachers will love, and build a store that brings in profit month after month, Kiddy Store Fortune is your ready-made path to make it happen. And right now, it's available with early bird access. So you can grab the entire package for just a fraction of what it would cost to design, create, and set up even one part of it from scratch. Don't wait. Lock in your early bird deal today, and I'll see you inside.